Rice is one of the most demonized foods out there, with vague claims that it will make you fat and it is unhealthy. How much of these are true? To answer that, we need to look at the nutritional value of rice. 100 grams of uncooked white rice contain 358 calories, 79 grams of carbohydrates, 6.5 grams of protein, and zero point 0.5 grams of fat. Almost 80% of the total calories come from carbohydrates, making it a very rich source of carbs. When the rice is cooked, 100 grams contain around 130 calories, which are very low considering the amount of water it absorbs. 100 grams of pizza contains double the amount of calories, making it more calorie dense. On paper, rice is a much better choice and a healthier choice than pizza. But why is it that rice gets the hate? In most Asian countries, rice is a staple food and is consumed almost every meal in huge quantities. Yet, obesity rates are quite low in Asia, especially in villages. It is because the people are engaged in a lot of physical labor like farming. Some of these people have to walk miles every day to collect water. They need to consume a lot of calories to support their intense work. Rice becomes an easily available, cheap source of calories for them. Most of them cannot imagine a meal without rice. The problem arises when people consume an excessive amount of rice while being sedentary. This is what makes people fat. Rice, when cooked, is very soft and easy to chew, making it easy to overeat. Many people are not conscious of how much rice they are eating. Harder food items that require a lot of chewing help to suppress hunger. Even chewing tasteless gum can suppress hunger. Rice does not allow that, and people gulp down huge amounts of it without being aware. In some places, people literally drink rice mixed with water and salt. Rice does not make people fat. Overeating rice is what makes people fat. The solution here, as suggested by internet experts on Quora, is to replace white rice with brown rice.
What's the big idea?
The big idea here is that brown rice contains fewer calories, more protein, fat, micronutrients, and fiber, making it healthier. It also contains phytate, an anti-nutrient which inhibits the absorption of these micronutrients. Rice is not something that should be eaten to get micronutrients or protein. It is a source of carbohydrates. Also, brown rice absorbs more inorganic arsenic, which is found in pesticides and is not good for your health. Talking about calories, when it is cooked, brown rice absorbs more water, and that makes it less calorie dense compared to white rice with the same weight. But uncooked brown rice has more calories. Still, the difference is very small to make a significant change to your body composition. You are highly mistaken if you think that changing white rice with brown rice will make you lose all that excess fat. Some people give the opposite advice: eat white rice instead of brown rice, which does not make much sense. Depending on the location, brown rice or white rice might not be available. It might not be a part of someone's traditional diet. Brown rice requires more time to cook. This also needs to be considered. There is no need to change your traditional rice on the recommendation of some person on the internet. The people in your culture have been eating rice for centuries without any problem. What makes you think that it is unhealthy all of a sudden and you should replace it with brown rice or something else? Even with brown rice, you can get fat if you overeat. Your main concern here should be to limit the quantity and avoid being sedentary. If you love rice, eat it, but in a controlled amount. If you have some friends that are afraid to eat rice, then share this video with them. Like this video, subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell icon.